Come on, Chato. Come here. Sit down. Hi, my name is Josh McKenna, and I just bought this 1989 Dodge W150 with a 1990 Hawk camper. The camper's been on the truck since new. I don't think it's ever been taken off. It's in pretty good nick for how old she is. The truck has 88,000 miles from new. It's pretty clean inside and underneath. There's zero rust. Drives old and slow and bumpy. I have the original bill of sale from Four Wheel Campers, 1990. Interior showing its age, but I've got plans to add carpet and redo the cabinets, maybe update the furnace, and the fridge needs modernizing. But apart from that, she's good to go. I've already done 1,600 miles in it so far in about 3 weeks. Traveled from LA to Utah to Colorado, down to New Mexico, and then here in Flagstaff. So I'm going to be living out of it for the summer. This is Chato, my three-legged boxer dog. He's been my passenger princess for the last few weeks. He loves the bench seat. He likes to lay out and sleep the whole journey. And yeah, we're planning on hitting a few more states this summer. I'm heading to New Mexico. I want to see Wyoming, Idaho. And then maybe if the truck makes it up to Canada and across. You can follow my adventures on Instagram. I'm at Josh McKenna. I'm posting pretty regularly of my different BLM camp spots and cool truck adventures.